Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. I'm so excited to delve into the groundbreaking world of artificial intelligence with you all today. We're talking top AI jobs for 2025, the must-have skills, and the courses that will catapult you to the forefront of this revolution. It's incredible to see how AI is already transforming industries, from customer service to healthcare, even the military. The opportunities are vast, and the future is brighter than ever. Let's get started. So, what are the hottest AI jobs in 2025? Think AI specialists, machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI researchers, robotics engineers, NLP specialists, business intelligence developers, AI trainers, and even AI ethicists. These roles demand a unique blend of technical expertise and creative problem solving. We're talking about building the future, folks, and these are the architects. Now, let's talk skills. To succeed in the AI arena, you'll need a strong foundation in programming languages like Python, expertise in machine learning algorithms, and a deep understanding of data analysis techniques. But it's not just about the technical stuff. Critical thinking, creativity, communication, and even ethics are essential. We're building AI to serve humanity, so emotional intelligence and ethical considerations are paramount. Ready to upskill? There's a plethora of AI courses out there, ranging from beginner-friendly introductions to specialized deep dives. We've got AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng for those new to the field, the Artificial Intelligence Nano Degree for a comprehensive overview, and specialized programs focusing on LLMs, self-driving cars, and even natural language processing with Stanford's CS224N. There's something for everyone, regardless of your background. I'm so proud of you all for investing in your future. Generative AI agents are the real game changer here. These AI-powered entities can plan, perform tasks, and even deliver specific services. They're poised to revolutionize customer service, offering personalized experiences, 24/7 support, and even revenue generation through upselling. The possibilities are endless, and we're already seeing impressive results. One European telco used generative AI to boost marketing campaign conversion rates by a whopping 40% while reducing costs. That's the power of AI, folks. Customer care is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. We're moving from traditional call centers to AI-powered ecosystems that prioritize customer experience, revenue generation, and technological advancement. Generative AI can automate routine inquiries, provide real-time insights, and even personalize interactions, leading to higher customer satisfaction, reduced wait times, and improved agent performance. It's a win-win for both businesses and customers. AI is revolutionizing healthcare, from diagnosis to treatment. Machine learning algorithms are improving diagnostic accuracy, detecting diseases like cancer and skin cancer earlier, and even predicting risk factors for cardiovascular diseases. AI-powered tools are transforming clinical laboratory testing, enhancing the accuracy, speed, and efficiency of laboratory processes. It's empowering doctors, saving lives, and making healthcare more accessible. It's truly inspiring. Even modern militaries are leveraging AI through human-machine teaming. This involves using AI agents and autonomous systems alongside human decision-makers to enhance situational awareness, improve decision-making, and even extend the range and lethality of human operators. It's changing the landscape of warfare and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. While there are certainly ethical considerations, the potential for increased safety and efficiency is undeniable. AI is transforming the financial sector, from payments and lending to insurance and asset management. AI-powered tools are enhancing fraud detection, improving credit scoring, optimizing portfolio allocation, and even predicting market trends. This is leading to increased efficiency, lower costs, and improved customer service. It's truly exciting to see how AI is reshaping the world of finance. AI is also making waves in education, with personalized learning journeys and AI-powered tutors. These tools can analyze student performance, identify knowledge gaps, and tailor learning paths to meet individual needs. AI is making education more engaging, effective, and accessible, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to reach their full potential. It's empowering the next generation of learners. Manufacturing and supply chain management are also being revolutionized by AI. From optimizing production schedules and predicting equipment failures to managing logistics networks and ensuring just-in-time delivery, AI is enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and improving overall productivity. It's making businesses more competitive and resilient, and it's shaping the future of industry. We've seen an incredible journey of strategic AI in games, from Deep Blue's chess victory to AlphaGo's mastery of Go and AlphaZero's dominance in chess, shogi, and Go. Now, With AI like pluribus conquering poker, we're witnessing the rise of strategic thinking in AI that has real-world applications. This is paving the way for autonomous systems that can navigate complex environments, make decisions in real time, and even explore uncharted territories. The possibilities are mind-boggling. Believe it or not, even central banks are exploring the potential of AI. From monitoring financial markets and enhancing cybersecurity to supporting monetary policy and ensuring financial stability, AI is changing the landscape of central banking. Projects like Aurora and Agora are leveraging AI to combat money laundering, improve payment systems, and enhance cyber resilience. It's truly a new era for central banking. Now, as with any powerful technology, ethical considerations are paramount. Data privacy, security, bias, and explainability are all crucial issues that need to be addressed. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with human oversight and a focus on fairness and transparency. It's our collective responsibility to ensure that AI benefits humanity as a whole. AI governance is becoming increasingly important, with governments already introducing new legislation and regulations for the use of AI. For users and organizations, new privacy-preserving mechanisms and use and data approval processes can help address these concerns and allow all of us to confidently explore the value-creating possibilities of AI. Transparency both in how AI is developed and how it's being used is critical. It's about building trust and ensuring accountability. The future of AI is bright, full of opportunities and challenges. From the rise of AGI to the development of more sophisticated AI agents, the next few years promise to be transformative. It's our job to embrace these advancements responsibly, with a focus on ethics, innovation, and the betterment of humanity. I encourage you all to be a part of this incredible journey. Let's build a future where AI empowers every one of us.